So this is Walt Disney's plane?
To see Walt Disney's original Gulfstream called the Mickey Mouse One. Behind me is a enclosed case with...
Hey guys, it's Rhonda and I'm back with another Palm Springs related Disney video, and I wanted to show you Mickey Mouse One. This is part 2 of my Palm Springs visit, and I was able to go to the Palm Springs Air Museum, which is on the far back part of the Palm Springs airport. And they have in hangars all of these, older aircraft and things, but they have parked there Walt Disney's private plane, Mickey Mouse One. And they also have a huge display of some of the items that were on his plane, like the beverage dispensers. There's a picture of what the stewardess wore, the airline attendants wore. There's a control panel with the Mickey Mouse clock on there, and just a lot of different pictures of Walt on the plane with family and his Imagineers. So many fun things. There are World's Fair tickets and just amazing nostalgic items that I was so excited for, and I can't wait to share them. And you'll see there's a part of this video that's going to be outdoors where the plane is, and then indoors where the display is. Now let me just tell you, it was 111 degrees there, and it was super hot, and I had my my tripod that extends up, and I had it extended as far as I could, and I was able to extend it to the cockpit and try to get some footage of the cockpit. But the grime that is on the windows are so thick from like rain and dust and all of the stuff, that sediment that just collects, and it, obviously it hasn't been washed down, or the windows haven't been cleaned. So I was only able to get a little glimpse in there, and you'll see the struggle is real. It's so hot, and I'm trying, and it's 10 feet, 12 feet in the air, and I have no idea what I'm actually videotaping, and I'm like, am I able to see anything? So I'm kind of trying to play with the angle and get some inside the cockpit footage, but you'll get to see that, and then you'll get to see close-ups of what's inside the display cases. And I had such a great time. I did have a moment where I melted down, and I had an emotional moment because I had, it was overwhelming for me because I'd heard about this, and I know that the plane was on display at D23 back in 2022, I believe, and they're supposed to restore the plane, but obviously they're not. So just seeing the plane and the history that's behind it, because I did do in-depth study about it, seeing it was really overwhelming for me, and I kind of got choked up and emotional. I don't know, you may hear a few gasps here and there on the video, or me trying to, keep it together. But I do have a blog post that has some pictures and things that I'm not able to really upload here on YouTube. Not that I'm not able, but it just is time consuming, and I've just put the pictures on the blog. So I'll leave that in the description below, where you can go over to It's a Small World blog and take a look at some of the pictures that I captured. And yeah, it was such a fun time. I had no idea that, I would be feeling what I felt when I went to see these things. But I'm very fortunate. I feel very happy to have gone. If you ever get the chance, make a point to go. It was $24 to get in, general admission, and you can stay as long as you need. There's lots of other aircraft and artifacts on display there, but you'll have to go way to the very far back to see Walt Disney's plane. So here it is, guys. I hope you like this.
Hey guys, I'm at the Palm Springs Air Museum, and here is Walt Disney's airplane, the Mickey Mouse one. You can see him there riding inside. Hey guys, we're inside the hangar, and as you can see behind me is the story of Walt's Gulfstream Mickey Mouse 1. I'm going to take you up close, let you look at all of the features. There's tickets here from the World's Fair when Walt worked on It's a Small World. We've got some stuff from his cabin inside Mickey Mouse 1. There's the Mickey Mouse clock and dial component. It's like a panel, and then there's original photos of him with his Imagineers and of course Lillian inside the Mickey Mouse 1. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so this is what a cabin chair would look like by a window seat inside Mickey Mouse 1.
Guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I'll link the other Palm Springs content that I have from when we went to see Walt's Technicolor house and the Smoke Tree Stables where he and Lillian rode horses, and not far from there was their private gated community home out at the Smoke Tree Ranch. And also, if you want any downloadable printables, I've made some customized little printables from my trip, and if you'd like to have a copy, head on over to Patreon. It's just $3 a month. It's a flat tier, no hidden bells or whistles. It's just strictly $3. And yeah, I'll catch you over there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.